How to change language. Are you facing issue to change DataCamp app language? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open DataCamp on a mobile device. If you don't know how to download DataCamp on your mobile devices, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for settings. Tap on it. After you click on settings, you can see multiple options over here. Just look at the third option, language. Tap on it. After you click on language, you'll be provided with multiple languages like Spanish, Dutch, French, Italiano, Portuguese, and Turkey. Just select the one according to your preference. I don't want to change the language right now, but if you want to do, then just simply tap on the selected language. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna change the language on DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.